Guys, welcome back to another quick Facebook tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to bold text on Facebook. So somehow Facebook doesn't let the users to bold text within the app. Luckily there is a web page you could go to that make it fairly simple. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will open our Facebook mobile application and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. So now I will simply create a post. So I will click on what's on my mind and here I will type my text, for example, believe. Now as you guys can see that I have typed in my text, I will simply tap and hold the text and I will copy this all. Once you have copied the text, you simply have to exit out of your Facebook application and then you have to open up any of the browser. For the sake of the video, I am using Google Chrome and then you have to search for yetext.com. Then such type of interface will open in front of you. Here you have to scroll down and then you can select any of the text. For example, if we are bolding the text, and then here you can see the option of bold text. You simply have to click on bold and now you have to again scroll down and then here you have to paste the text in the white box. So I am pasting my text and now as you guys can see that it has given me my text in the bold. I will simply copy it from here. As you guys can see that it has been copied. Now I'll go back and open up my Facebook application again, and if I remove this and again click on paste, now as you guys can see that my text has been converted into bold. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.